If you are part of a partnership, you will likely encounter Form 1065. Let's demystify what this document actually does for your business. Form 1065 is the information return used by partnerships to report income, gains, losses, and deductions to the IRS. Unlike corporations, partnerships are pass-through entities. This means the business itself usually pays no income tax. The form tracks your total revenue and business expenses, eventually distilling everything into specific allocations for each partner. Don't confuse the 1065 with a K1. The 1065 is the master summary, while the K1 is the individual slip given to each partner. Partnerships must file by the 15th day of the third month following the close of their tax year, which is earlier than the personal tax deadline. Remember that consistency is key. Your individual tax return must match the data reported on your K1 perfectly. Tax laws change frequently, so consult with a professional for your specific business. Like and subscribe for more finance basics.